Hi, this is Tim from Brake Lathe Specialist and Heerboth eBay sellers. Today we're going to cover removing the drum gearbox. First step for this, loosen up your drawbar to take your arbor out of the machine. Set that down and we pull that guy out. Next up, use a 3/16 Allen wrench and get rid of the spindle lock bar. Lower clamp comes off, upper clamp comes off. You slide your boot back. Okay, we got lucky. Our set screw is up high because usually it's on the bottom. But as you loosen up that set screw, then you can start unscrewing your drum box. Some require a little more wiggle jiggle than others, but that's how you pull that box off. Thank you.